EssProM EPM Simplified.
Welcome to this training video on installing and setting up the Oracle SmartView for Office Client add-in on Windows. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process step by step. SmartView uses the Excel to interactively investigate the data contained in the sources. You start with templates that begin the process where you begin altering the grids of data. SmartView provides a common interface for Oracle EPM Cloud, Oracle Analytics Cloud, Oracle Fusion ERP and Oracle on-premises data sources. To download the installer for Oracle SmartView, from the user menu select Downloads. Scroll down to SmartView, then select Download from Oracle Technology Network to open the download page, then click Download Now. After the installer zip file is downloaded, locate the installer file and set the desired location where you want it to be installed. Then click on Next to start the installation. After the installation is complete, double-click on the smartview.exe file, then click on Run. Follow the process till it is completed. As the installation is completed, click on OK. Now SmartView has been installed on your machine.